Today, I want you to tell a story. A story about a day that I wanted to build a kitchen tower rack. I would use some basic materials, like a hammer and a chisel, and I wanted to test out my modeling skills. More on that later on in the story. After writing down the measurements and the steps that I needed to take, it was time.
Where was I?
You're building a tower rack.
Oh yeah.
I had a few tasks in this story. Task 1, finding the proper round bar. So after a bit of searching, I found my round bar. I transferred my measurements onto the round bar, so I know the exact location of where to hit it with the hammer and the chisel. I took my hammer. My man, just take a normal hammer or use some sort of vector. It's more like it.
And you're sure that people will know the meaning of this drawing? Of course they know what you mean with the drawing. Well, it's the outcomes of the round bar when you hit it a few times at the same spot. Yeah, I started to get it.
When the round bar was done, it was time for task 2, building a 3D model onto the computer. So it was time to jump onto the computer and build a model by using FreeCAD, a free software where you can develop some 3D models. After messing around, it was time to send it to the 3D printer. Task 3, printing. And now it was time to wait. Why? Because the printer would take 70 minutes to complete its task. You are waiting and you can see it grow, grow and grow. And for you, I will give you a quick tour on the space where our 3D printer is. So alt light switch. We need to renovate this place, so don't watch that. A lab bench power supply to mess around with electronics, multimeters to test out electronics, some cabinets where I store some electronics, microcomputers, a messy sheet, corner, cabinet, no explanation, and the printer. In the meanwhile, while I saw them getting bigger and bigger and bigger, I had this one question.
Isn't that too big?
They will fit, they are perfect.
Perfect? If you say so.
And it was time to shove the models over the round bar and mount it at its permanent location. That, my friends, that was the story of me building a kitchen tower rack. I will say, see you in the next. Peace.